Hi friend, it's Yuno again, and this is my pick station for practicing. I was asked by someone to show how did I make this, so I will try to demonstrate how did I do this. So this is this is a wood which is 3/4 of an inch, and this material is this came from Weiser Key 900, which already been damaged. I just used the casing, and on this wood I bore a hole, which is this is 1 1/8 diameter. That is the boring hole, which is designed for boring rim cylinder, which is standard. That is 1 1/8 of an inch, the same as this one. Now, what I did with this wood is that I attached the aluminum at the back, so that it will be clipped by a vice clamp when I am trying to use it for practicing. And the way I did this to pass in the rim cylinder here is that I took a part from from this Weiser mortise deadlock. It's already been damaged, so I took the parts this, and then I did fabricate a hole from this side here, right? I did fabricate a hole from this side, and I made a small slot on this one because some of the profile cylinder are 5 o'clock cam position. So whenever I insert cylinder like this shell, which is the cam is on 5 o'clock position, so I could insert it without having a key, and I could pass in it there. And the one I pass in it is a simple one. It's a bolt and a washer, so I just put it on the side here, right, and pass in it. So that will hold the cylinder there. So I could tighten the cylinder from there, right? Yeah. Now the retainer lock for the cylinder on this Key 900, I retain it because it's useful already. It's already there, so I did not remove it. So once I install the cylinder, there, so I just tighten it also. This is already the design of the this kind of Key 900. Okay, I could tighten it from this side also. This is okay, so that's how it is done on this too. And about this rim cylinder here is that I make a slot from this side in which this tools here, which is a nut, as I called, this will be tightened by the uh, by the bolt also, and I will attach it here on this slot, right? And then I will tighten it with this other side here. Right, so that when I install the cylinder here, this will lock the cylinder and prevent it from moving. The same on this side here, it's the same design. And at the back here, what I did, okay, this is the back here. I install the part of this. I cut this part of the key 900. I cut this part and install it on the side here, and bend it here. See that? Yeah, I bend it from here, and then this is threaded. This is threaded here. That's the original design for key 900. So I cut the part, screw it there, fix it, and so that when I install the cylinder, all I do is just turn the cylinder, and it will be catching on that side, right? And then it's look like on the lock itself. So after that, I position it, then I tighten this screw here. What you see now is the back of that lock picking station I have. And well, that's all I think. This side here is the same as this side on here, and this aluminum here, I bend it 90 degrees, and so that the clamp can hold on it. And this top here is an optional one. The top here, this is an optional one. This is when I'm picking a padlock. Well, this is an optional one actually. I pick a padlock, then I tighten it from this nut here, two of it, so that it will hold the padlock firmly. It will not move while I pick. So I think that's it's quite understandable, and I hope a friend of mine who asked to demonstrate how I made this, I hope it is clear for you also, friend. Okay, so that's all folks, and thanks for watching. Good day.